Park Pastor United Services with my main guy Sergio Martinez. Today we are doing window wraps. We install new windows on the house. The brick mold, the green stuff around the windows right here is called the brick mold. A lot of times that gets rotted out and we cover it with a piece of aluminum. These are handmade from a machine. This is coil. The first thing we do is use this over here. It's insulation. We have a gun that we spray foam all the windows to keep water and moisture out. Then we put the coil on and caulk and seal, and it gives it a finished window. Right now we've installed a new window. This is the brick mold, and our window goes in between the frames. So there's a little gap right here where air and moisture can come in. This is a special insulation that gets spray foamed inside there. And we just do a nice little line and put it in there to get it so it stops any air, moisture from coming in the window. This is the machine that makes the metal. It's called a brake. Basically, you put the machine in here and you form it. You push it down like so, and then you bend the metal like that. And it forms the metal to any shape or size you need. Also, once we're done, this is a flat piece of metal. We use a machine over here called the Brake Buddy, and it puts a nice little groove in there to give it strength. A lot of times when you look at aluminum, it looks wavy, kind of oily canning. By putting these grooves in there, it gives it stiffness and rigidity that when the sun shines on it, you don't see any bubbles going there. It's always a straight match, and it's called a piece of brick mold, and it looks beautiful, such as that up there. So we are putting that on the house. Once we're done there, we'll caulk the edges, 45 all the seams, and it's just basically a covering to make the house look beautiful. It's going to help with wind and moisture, of course, but at the end of the day, it's mostly for beauty, so you never have to paint your trim around your windows again. And it comes with all the windows that we install.